Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Barsha here. Today we are going to show you how to change your birth date on Snapchat. Sometimes you might have accident entering the wrong birth date or maybe you just want to update it for some reason. Whatever the case is, I have got you covered. Alright, so let's start. First thing first, make sure you have a Snapchat open on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in Snap, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open your profile. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Now, scroll down a bit and look for the birthday section under My Account section. You will see your current birthday displayed there. Then tap on your birth date and you will be able to edit your birth date. Now, all you have to do is adjust your birth date to what you want it to be. Keep in mind that Snapchat only lets you change it once. So make sure it is the correct one before you set. Once you have selected your birthday, hit that continue button. Now your birthday is updated and everyone will see the new date when they check your profile. And that's it. It's super simple, right? If you have any questions or need help with anything else on Snapchat, drop a comment down below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.